Hello and welcome to this new video on Solid Server Hands-on. In this video, we will show you how to block access to a domain by configuring a RPZ zone using Solid Server DNS Firewall solution. For this demo, we use a Solid Server running release 8.1 and we have already configured a DNS recursive server. We have a smart architecture with one master DNS server. It will be used by our desktop on the local network. And we check in the properties that the recursion function is properly activated. Now, we switch to our virtual machine, which will be our DNS client. We check the network configuration and make sure that our DNS is using the IP address of the Solid Server recursive DNS. Now, we use the dig tool for interrogating DNS name servers. It performs DNS lookups and displays the answers. I type youtube.com and I will explain the result. We have a no error status with one query and one answer. And we got the information that the youtube.com address record is at this IP address. We switch back to the Solid Server and we will add a RPZ zone in order to filter out the traffic to youtube.com. So we click on the RPZ zones. We click on Add. We select our smart architecture. We click on Next. Then we select the master zone type. Click on Next. Then we do configure the name. Here, block list. And we keep the overriding rule given, which allow you to have individual action on each record of the RPZ zones. We click on Next. We keep the order configuration by default for now, and we do click on OK. We see our zone have been created in our smart, and we check that this zone have been replicated to our recursive DNS server. Now we are going to add an entry for YouTube in our blocking zone. We click on the Add button. We want to filter a domain, which will be youtube.com, and we want to apply the next domain policy for this domain to be denied. Any browser looking for youtube.com will now present a specific page telling the domain is not available. We click on OK, and we check that the rule is properly created. We switch back on our virtual machine, and we will type the same dig command, dig youtube.com. The result is not the same. We have a NX domain status with one query, no answer, and two additional responses. This additional response tells that the youtube.com domain is included in the blocklist zone provided by our DNS server. This can be used for troubleshooting. We launch our web browser in order to visit youtube.com. And we observe that we can reach the website. So, in this video, we saw how to create an RPZ zone and add easily an entry in order to block the traffic toward a specific name. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.